Jake with BHPhoto, NAB 2019, still going here, day 2 on the show floor. I'm at Zoom and I'm talking to John. How are you, John?
Good. How about yourself?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. You got an exciting, brand new product for Zoom. It's the Zoom F6.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about this guy.
Yeah, so this is the second day we're showing it. Very excited. This is a new product in our F series. It features 6 XLR inputs, same preamps as the F4, the F8, and the F8N. Same timecode specs, built-in timecode generator. This time with an 1/8" timecode output, input, either one. So you have 2 stereo 3.5mm outputs for monitoring, and what's really exciting is what's under the hood. You'll be able to record 32-bit float bit depth files, and that, along with the dual A to D converters on the inputs, mean that the dynamic range is so wide that there's never a risk of clipping. So if you're recording in 32-bit, there's no gain control, only fader. If in post you bring that file into your DAW and you see that it looks like it was clipping, you trim down the gain and it didn't clip. The dynamic range is just crazy.
Awesome. Now, just by the naked eye, form factor wise, it looks smaller, more compact. What's the inspiration behind that?
So design, we went with something a little bit different. We're going for something very compact, a little bit different form factor than you see with the F4 and the F8N. We'll see in the future with mounting options, it will make it a little bit more flexible. We might develop maybe like a chest strap or some sort of bag option for sure, but more to be determined on that in the future.
Testing a layout over there, in case viewers are not wondering. There's not cops. It's just testing sky panels. Okay, and I'm noticing power here. This looks pretty cool. Is that an L series mount?
Yep. Yeah. So power options. You have the Sony L series style battery. You have AA batteries as always.
Oh, you can still do AA's too.
Yep.
Okay.
You have that option, and USB-C as well.
Power USB-C.
Yep.
Okay, very good. Who's this designed for? Wait, it's a brand new product. It's not upgrading anything. It's a brand new product. So who's going to use this?
So I think a lot of people are going to be very excited about the 32-bit, so that will hit a lot of people just on that. Any sort of filmmaker, independent filmmaker, or someone on any type of set where they're concerned about very dynamic performances, where clipping may be an issue or very quiet signals may be an issue. Great example is like a gunshot, something with a very loud transient, but then the tail that you also want to capture very accurately. As you're adjusting the gain in post, the noise floor is remaining very low. So yeah, any sort of field recording, musicians, field recording for film, TV, etc.
Awesome. And we're thinking when for release?
So we're thinking shipping in June. May 22nd, we'll be announcing the pricing and full specs online.
Awesome. Exciting new stuff from Zoom F6. I want to thank John.
Thank you.
Good information, absolutely. Jake with BHPhoto, just keep shipping.